You recording this? Yeah. Oh, nice. I gotta play. No! Shoot! Not supposed to rain!
Oh, that is sensational! What a point from both players!
If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Welcome to Tennis Pickler. My name is Jonathan Miller. Thank you all for joining me. In this episode, we're back in Ventnor, New Jersey. We're playing pickleball, and it happens to rain. In the near court is myself in the black with the baseball hat, and in the purple is Seth. On the far side, in the light colored top is Speedy D, and in the blue is Jeff. Here we go. Beachside serves first in Ventnor, so Jeff serving to Seth. As you can see, the courts are a little damp. I had to sweep the courts with the brush just to get them dry enough that we could play. Obviously, you want to be very careful on a wet painted court, concrete hard court. It can get very slippery, especially the painted lines, so you want to be careful. I don't recommend playing in the wet, but just be very careful if you do. 102. Oh, great shot from my dad down the middle, but he just missed that ball wide. As you can see, most shots that come off of D's rackets has some sort of spin or slice, but we've got a quick start here, 402, and they get the ball back at 041. Good deep serve. And I missed my dinker. Who's gonna get it? Lob. Gets another lob. Good dinking. Oh, D just misses. Great point. Just missed that one. Get the ball back at 4-2-1. My dad's favorite shot, the lob. And I give him the point. Awful. Trying to be too cute there. Great shot from D. Oh no. My dad was a little bit in no man's land there. And that one he was just couldn't get up to quick enough. It's alright. 4-3-1. Just got that in. 5-3-2. And I pull that one wide. They get the ball back at 3-5-1. The lobber. Oh, and Seth misses. Alright, I don't feel bad that I missed mine then. Great shot from Seth, and looks like the heavens have opened up.
It's sunny in my house.
Luckily, it's a pretty quick moving shower, but it is wet, so you have to be very careful. And like I said, the lines get extra slippery. So you want to take very small steps. Great shot down the middle, open court from Jeff. 4-5-1. Oh, D goes behind my dad, gets it. Oh, it gets it again? No, I can't get it the third time. Great point. Good moving from D. The lob again. Oh my god, I'm in slow motion. I felt like my feet were cement. Couldn't move my feet there. Let me know in the comments below if you've played in the rain. This is definitely not the worst rain I've played in. I've actually played in rain so heavy and so deep that my shoes were completely soaked. Filled with water. Good dinking action here. 7-5-1. It's good to talk if you don't play with your partner often. Talk to them. Figure out who's going to take the middle shots. Usually if it's the person's forehand, that's the best play. Or it could be the stronger player takes the middle. 9-5-1. Oh, great shirt. Third shot there from Seth. Nice and short. Game point, 10-5-1. And that's game. Lots of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit that bell to be notified when new videos will be uploaded. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and be safe.